Everyone who told us, that we told that we were going to go do this, told us that we were skipping work or going to die.
That's right.
And we're here to prove two things. One, technically this is work, and two, we can't die.
We can never die.
Okay, so obviously we're in the snow, we're driving, yes. So we're in a four-wheel drive SUV, correct?
Yeah, we're in a four-wheel drive. No, we're in a rear-wheel drive 2002 Lexus IS300 Sportcross. Inline 6-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, 115 horsepower, and I've got a snow button.
Oh, then we're safe.
So we're safe.
I take it all back.
Snow tires.
We are extremely prepared.
When people talk about New York traffic, this is exactly what they're talking about. Just a nightmare commute every day. Even in July, it's like this. Not many people know that. Yeah, I'm gonna go for the passion.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
You're gonna get us killed. This is a nice car, man. All right, you join us again as we attempt to manage an exit.
Quite a downhill, because this is an elevated highway.
Traction control cannot defeat the laws of physics.
This is just all brakes and steely-eyed will.
Hold on. Steely-eyed.
This is not a happy Honda days at all. It's not even a December to remember.
I love this graffiti van. Very New York.
That's actually a very good graffiti van.
Good graffiti van. I think largely the point of this is to show that you don't necessarily need a car which is quote-unquote suited for snow or winter. This doesn't have a particularly huge amount of ground clearance. It's got rear-wheel drive, antiquated traction-y stuff.
I will say, if you're not going out to have fun, and it is crowded or the lanes are narrow, I would not suggest doing this if you don't have to. But if you need to, winter tires can make it happen.
Yes. Also, we have a shovel in the back. Yo, this dude in the Quest is fucked. He is mega screwed. Winter tires, bro. Winter tires.
Toot. Our big boss Patrick George is braving the snow. He doesn't even have a hat.
Mr. Smiles, as we call him.
Mr. Happiness.
Happy Joy Patrick George. He's from Texas. He's not used to this.
No, he doesn't know what's going on.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
He was like,
this is a good bend right here. Although I don't know about the grade.
Yeah, traction control off.
Woo. I pity any motherfucker who has to go to the IKEA on a day like this.
Don't fucking try it, minivan.
Oh my god, pure drama.
Do it.
I'm trying.
You gotta go, buddy.
I'm trying. I got my foot down.
You gotta
really drama.
You need to hit the fucking brakes. I was not able to stop. Yeah, so like they all have different specs depending on where they came from. What you need is winter tires. And yes, I know they're expensive, but as we've established, tires are the one thing you cannot cheap out. Huge hope. I can tell if I had all seasons, it would be absolute garbage right now.
Yeah.
What do you think, Patrick? Do you think we should do you think Val Ben should wash the Lexus after having driven through this?
I think so, but we actually have Jolie Care on this topic right now, working on a story about like when you're supposed to wash your car after you've been driving in the snow.
Right.
Day after, a week later, a month later, years later, they don't know.
And how
science won't tell you. Big science isn't going to tell you because they want to keep you down. They want to keep your cars rusted, so you're buying new Lexus IS300 Sportcross wagons all of the time and not just using your old ones.
Yes.
That makes sense to me.
Yeah, it makes total sense. Think about it.
Go, buddy.
Should we help him out?
We can. I think he's got it.
That's my dude. You got this.
Lay into it.
He's got this. He's got it.
Give it some go. Give it some go.
Give him a push. Give him a push. Low push.
Low push.
He's got it.
He's got it. That's my guy. God bless. But that's the real New York pizza.
Best pizza in the 5 boroughs.
That's all I'm telling him. Pasta.
Pasta fagioli.